Getting ready to go on my journey, man. I do my 10 laps today. How y'all doing, brothers? Doing my laps this morning and just, looking at the blessings of God all the way around the board on how things go, being successful, and it's like, when you trust God and you ask yourself every day, is this the day? Is this the day? Is this the day that Lord, that God changed some things for somebody or something? And I'm just coming here this morning, man, to just tell all my viewers out there, man, that it's gonna be all right. You gotta believe in you. You gotta believe in what you believe in. Everybody got their own beliefs in whatever it may be, in whatever time they waste, whatever they're doing. I don't think I'm wasting time, man. UPS showed up today with my signs for the window tinting. That's a number one thing. That's getting this thing open. So that's progress. The little that matters, the seeds you put in, and it's like, okay, I'm planting these seeds. When they gonna grow? When does a seed grow? If you start seeing one vine, you already know that seed growing. You can't expect it to grow when you want it, how fast you want it, and just making sure once you see something, everything gonna be all right. And I'm just here to tell y'all, man, you gotta keep the faith. I keep my faith up, man. Creating something from nothing, making a brand, creating something that go all around the world, man. That's great, helping these guys and everybody to understand, franchising is where I want to go. That's where I'm going, Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all what God could do. From nothing to something. That's where I'm at. I ain't worrying about what ain't happened, how it ain't happened. I'm just trusting God for what has happened, and I'm claiming everything, all blessings, all things that gonna help me to the next level, help somebody on the next level. We don't know where it's at, Just trusting God, man. And you look behind me, the cafe, cafe right there, man. That cafe, brother. Got the lobby for the window tint. Man, I got my crew in here just cause. Man, where y'all at, man? Look at my crew over here, man. Man, look at these dudes, man. No. Hey, where that box at? Where that box at? The box y'all had for the tent thing. That need to go up here. We gotta put some screws right there to put that on that next level. On that next level. On that next level. Where the box at? Let me get the box. Get everything up here. The box up here. How we making it happen, man? It's a cafe. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. The plumber's working on the top. Yesterday, that the box they had, I don't know, ask them. The box from the tent company that just came. Yeah, so from UPS, the box that came from UPS. Yeah, so look, so bam, it's coming, y'all, it's coming. It's coming. You just gotta believe. You gotta believe, man. Gotta believe in what you do. No matter what nobody else say. You gotta believe. Gotta believe. Gotta believe, man. Almost finished, almost finished. Almost finished, y'all. Man, them colors just light me up. It just remind me of so much faith. We took this thing, if you don't know the history, Deep South used to be lime green and black. Lime green and black is what it was. And I decided when I moved to Slidell to change it to lime green and blue because the blue is more like that color, just like, yeah. Look at the color. It's just like, it pops, it makes that green like alive, man. It's about that hope. That's that hope color. That hope color, man. Look, they got the banners in here. One banner go on this side of the garage. The next banner go on the other side of the garage. No, they go on the outside. Yeah, man. Who that? Just trusting God, man. Sweaty. Gonna be doing the window tint that. You know how that go. Trying to hurry up and get off here because I don't want to waste up 8-9 minutes, man, on that, Window tint. where they about to start tinting the windows at, learning how to tint too as well. So this is where we at, brothers. You know, trusting God, man. Trusting God. Looking good. Looking good. Damn. So, gotta have faith. Gotta have faith. This is my little faith icons. If you look, see that? Man, Deep Side Academy. That's that faith. It's that faith. Everything gonna be okay. Yeah, right there. Yeah, you gotta just trust God, man. You gotta trust God all the way. Not worry about what another person think or say what they want. And you gotta allow God to use you. You know, if you being used by God, man, you ain't got nothing to worry about. He gonna make sure you straight. That's the great thing about it, you know, being on the good side of God and not being on the bad side and, you know, regretting. You know, people regret things, and I don't regret nothing, man. I think that God had a purpose for me from the beginning. You know, when it was a struggle with me and my brother when we was young, you know, God had a purpose for me, and that's what I'm gonna allow Him to do, use me. So I'm just telling all my viewers out there, man, stop. Right now I'm gonna go do my laps, but I don't want to take all y'all time, man. Stay tuned. I love y'all, man. Keep up the good work out there. Don't give up on your hood. Don't give up on your community, man. If God called you to do something, rather than just feeding somebody, do it. And trust God. Y'all be good, man.